No, I'd like to turn around, please. Please. Okay, we're gonna go back. So that was kind of weird intro to the video, but yeah, so I got this add-on Formula 1 and I'm lost now.
Well done.
Yeah, what we're gonna be doing is just basically driving about.
Dude.
Okay, in the next video, or I don't know, a video to come, I've just had a brilliant idea for an awesome video.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is
we're gonna get more TNT as an add-on.
Yes, that's good, But I'm gonna get the Lambo mod, and because I can't get them on my computer, which is so
you can if you turn it into iPad mode.
Oh yeah. Okay.
We only just figured out that you could
we just figured
do like iPad mode.
Yeah. So
which means you can get add-ons.
Yeah, get add-ons, which is sweet, and they will be less glitchy. But I'm gonna get the Lambo one, so we can drive about in Lambo. I'm gonna make like an assault course and stuff, and drive about, and yeah.
By the way,
drive through the ice village.
Temptation. Look at this. Can you come to wherever I am?
I don't know where you are.
Okay, fine. I'll get on the Formula 1 cards.
But yeah, I need to go now. It's gonna be the shortest one ever, but still pretty cool. The cars in Minecraft. So this is goodbye from Jungle Jake, and also kind of hello, but goodbye.